Hey everybody, this is Steve. I'm coming at you from my office today. Got this board over here and head over there. And I just want to record a really quick video to highlight two very important things that people seem to be kind of confused about in this class so far. One has to do with how participation grading is going to be working and what it is that you're expected to do. And the other one has to do with how the schedule for the class works and what you're expected to do. So watch this. Okay, so this is what the class website should look like to you. Okay, first thing I want to point out is in the syllabus, this is the thing that you were supposed to read before class got going. I go through here and I talk about a variety of different things. I talk about this attendance issue, and then here I talk about participation. This is the part about discussion, and this is the part about grading participation. Okay, so this is important to pay attention to because it explains your grade on the most recent discussion forum. So if I'm expecting everyone to post something about all the discussions for the class. If you didn't post something, that means that you got an F on that discussion for participation. If you were late, you got a D. If you posted on time, but all you did is you just posted and left, you got a C. If you posted and you were late, but you did comment on somebody else, you got a B or something along those lines. And if your initial post is on time and respond to more than one of your classmates, you get an A. About Canvas, it's kind of interesting is there's a lot of different ways to navigate through things on the class, but the way that I think of the class is basically on this main page here. If you click on this link, for example, it just takes you to, well, it takes you to this discussion thing that explains the calendar. But when I talk about the home page for the class and the calendar for the class, I mean home and this page. So if you want to know what we were doing on June 27th, it's right there. Okay, this is what you're supposed to do for June 27th. It says due June 27th and so forth. Okay, it's that simple. The entire semester is all on this page, and the green spaces are when I'm introducing assignments. The major writing assignments are being introduced. The yellow spaces are when those assignments are due. Okay, so for example, we began discussion on the personal statement assignment on the 24th. We're going to continue discussing the personal statement assignment here. We're going to have a peer review for the personal statement on June 30th. And what this means, we'll talk about this as we get closer to the deadline, but it means you need to have a draft of your personal statement to share with everybody in a peer review activity. We're going to be doing multiple things this week because we get introduced into the next assignment, the complaint adjustment letter assignment. And then this is due on July 5th. Okay, and when you turn it in, that's when you turn in this memo that people are getting confused about. But the point is this is all very straightforward in terms of what to do next. So literally, what are we doing on June 28th? We're going to be talking about this. We're going to be talking about this. We're going to continue talking about the personal statement. Okay, this is all laid out for the entire semester. Okay, all the due dates are in place. Some of the things are a little bit up in the air, and you'll see that there's a little bit of to be arranged things here and there. But all the due dates are set, and also all the assignments are available. So one thing that you could easily do that I would not discourage at all is to read ahead a little bit to get a handle on the assignments for the semester. Okay. But if you're trying to figure out, I didn't understand, if you're trying to, but a couple people did email me and say, I don't understand how this class is working, how it's organized. Well, that's how it's organized. Okay, I hope that helps. So discussions, remember, each and every single one of those things, every single one of those readings, I expect everyone in class to post something about the readings. If you want to get an A for participation, I expect you to be a lot more involved. If you're okay with a C for participation, as long as you post about the reading, you'll be fine. Okay? As far as the order of things, when stuff is due, what's happening next, where am I supposed to go to next, and things like that, it's all right there on the calendar. Follow along with the calendar, and you too will be able to find. Right? Now listen, I am on campus this summer as well as being teaching online. So if you're in the area and you want to come and talk to me physically about this or anything else with the class, by all means, let me know. Just shoot me an email and we'll set up a time and I'll walk you through it in person. All right? All right. See you online.